One of the most common mistakes that I see young welders make when they first start welding is not ensuring that they anchor their body onto an object to stabilize their position. It does not matter what position you're welding in, always try to lean one elbow, try to lean your hip against the pipe, against the table, whatever you have adjacent. This anchors your position and prevents you from moving back and forth. It helps you not go in and go out that puddle, and it also helps you create straighter beads. This particular video right here is a student practicing his bead, and as you can see, he's got his left hand leaning on a table. If it was me, I would lean my hip onto that table that's next to him and try to lean my elbow so that way I'm more stable. This person right here is leaning forward. It would help if he would also lean his hip on the table and use his elbow like I'm doing on this video right here to help you create a better looking bead. Try it next time you're